Hey everyone, and welcome back. I know it's been a while, but today I just wanted to make a quick video to go over two of the VDO radios that we sell. They're becoming a lot more popular. I have two versions, so I'll show you that, and then how to install it in the E36 with our plug-and-play adapter harness. So let me show you these and let's get started. Okay, so here are the two radios. The ones I sell is a Bluetooth and USB version, and the other has a CD as well. They look a little bit different, but they still have that retro styling that everyone likes in the older BMWs. So let's go over the USB one first. This is model number TR7412UB-OR. The OR stands for orange. That's what it illuminates to kind of make it look like it would fit in the BMW interior. So it comes with everything you need. Unfortunately, Continental VDO doesn't include the wiring harness for BMWs. So I included that for free. If you purchase through my website, you get that harness for free. That's not the plug-and-play harness, but that is a harness that will work. And to wire this will just be like any other aftermarket radio. All right, so here's the, comes with a microphone and a few other things for pre-outs. But here's the USB version, or Bluetooth USB version. Alright, so here it is. Really nice looking, obviously kind of retro styling to make it fit like it, make it look like it would fit in the E30, E36. Has USB, and the biggest thing is Bluetooth. So the Bluetooth works really well on this. It auto connects when you start your car. You don't have to reconnect it every time. It sounds really good, and customers have really seemed to like it. Keep in mind that the USB port does not charge your phone. This is for like a USB stick. So if you put like MP3s on a USB drive, you can stick it in there and you can play music instead of using your phone. It also does have an aux in case you want to go that route. Yeah, so also what's really cool with the USB Bluetooth radio is the size. So it's really, really shallow because there's no CD unit. So if you have restrictions in, maybe not a BMW, but a Porsche or things like that, this is a nice solution because of how narrow it is here. So anyways, that's it. Looks really good, but now I'm gonna go over the CD version. Okay, so here's the CD version. The box of here, it comes with the same things that the Bluetooth USB version does, and I also include the free ISO harness with this, unless you buy the plug-and-play harness. A plug-and-play harness will work for either unit. Here's the USB or CD one. Okay, so right off the bat, you can tell how much longer it is. The Bluetooth USB one was like this, and that's because of that CD drive in it. Here's the back. Has the two connectors for the ISO harness. And then here's the front. So like I said, it does look a little bit different. I kind of like it, smaller buttons, a little more Porsche-esque. I think I prefer the CD version in more of a newer BMW like an E46 or an E36, where the other version I think fits better in an E30 or like an E21 application. This still has the USB port down here, but it does not charge. I don't know why they do that, but if you want to stick a USB stick in there that has MP3s on it, that'll work great. It has the CD, and then also this unit also has Bluetooth. So that's really cool. Let me see something. Yep. Okay. So this also has an aux, but this one doesn't have an aux on the front. It will have an aux in the back. So if you do want to run an aux cable, you just use this, plug it in, and then you're going to have to fish it through your interior and have it come out somewhere where you can just plug in your phone. But this is what it looks like. Really cool, really sleek, and this is unit CD7416UB-OR, and again the OR stands for orange illumination. So this is one we're going to go put in the E36. To do that, we're going to use this plug and play adapter harness. So this already has the E36 connector on it. This also fits other models. On the website it'll show all the models that it fits, but this end is for VDO radios. So literally we're just going to plug it in, and we should have music right away. So let's go put all this together and go down to the car and swap it out. So here's the old clear-in unit that was in the car. It's pretty old looking and pretty ugly, to be honest with you. So we're going to replace it with the CD version, like we just talked about. I already got it out a little bit, but if you're not familiar with getting out radios, the new VDO radio will come with the keys, and they usually slide them in each side, and that unlatches it, and you'll be able to pull it right out. So we're going to pull this one out and see what we're working with here. Hopefully the previous owner didn't cut anything, so we can use the plug and play harness. There's a lot of stuff in here. 4-channel out converter, okay. Looks like that's an aux he had. Keep digging here. All right, good. This is great. So the previous owner did not cut anything. He used an adapter as well. So this is the original E36 radio connector here. So we should be able just to pull up on this like that, and it comes out. So this is simple. We can get rid of this whole thing. And to install the new unit right here should be just as simple with our plug and play harness here. So okay. So to install this unit first, we're gonna have to remove the cage which holds in the radio. And the instructions say remove these 2 screws before installation. So let's take these out. And I can't do it because the screwdriver sucks. All right, back with a smaller screwdriver. Let's see how this goes. Now to take off this cage, we have to use the keys that I talked about earlier. And essentially, there's 2 slots here, one on each side, and this fits right in. Maybe it does. Maybe it doesn't. Yep, fits right in. And that releases these tabs on each side, and then we should be able to pull it right off, see? And what those do is when you put in the radio, these tabs push out, and it holds the radio in. So now once that's in, we take our plug and play harness, and this will plug right into the E36 connector here. So make sure this slides, this is how it locks, so make sure you slide it out, and this should go right in. It just clips in like that, and then once you're done, you lock it, just like that, and that's about it. So now when we go to install the radio, these are dummy proofed, so you can only do it one way. So looks like it will be the black on the bottom and then the other. Just like that. Make sure they're firmly in there, and that's it. So the plug and play harness is really nice. There's no cutting or anything like that. So we should be able to just push this back here. And once it slides in, you hear a little click, and those are those tabs going in. And then we can put the faceplate back on. And then finally take off the little plastic there and start it up, see if it works. Key. There you go. So turns right on. don't have a radio station selected. Okay, so as you can see, everything works. So that's how easy it is if you want to install this. If you don't have the plug-and-play adapter, like I said, I do include the harness, and then you'll just have to splice the wires into your car. You can find out all the wiring online if you just Google it, but it wires up like any other aftermarket radio. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe, and we'll do other small short videos and product reviews like this. So thanks a lot.